Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve restriction on FIFA Mobile. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile restrictions, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to FIFA Mobile. Then we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about FIFA Mobile. You will click here and install. When you click here, then you can install again this app to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.